Hi there. Are you in your 20s? This is a period of your life where you will have to make important decisions, personal and professional. You need advices to make the best of those years? We are here to help. Today we give you 5 great books with tips to help make the best of your 20s. Let's dive in. Book number 1. The Defining Decade, Why Your 20s Matter and How to Make the Most of Them Now, by Meg J. Tips from the book. Be so good they can't ignore you, write your career story, believe in yourself, perform roles before you are ready, organize your life, value your time, cultivate perseverance, and do not sweat the small stuff. Book number 2. The Miracle Morning, by Elrod. This book helps you build a powerful morning routine that helps you live the best day possible to make the best of your 20s. Tips: wake up earlier to have more time for yourself and your goals. Wake up at the same time every day. And create your personalized routine. Book number 3. Build Your Dream Network, by Hoey. This book shows you how to forge powerful relationships in a hyper-connected world. Tips: make networking a professional priority. No matter how digital the world becomes, face-to-face interactions will never lose their value. And prefer to go deep with a few rather than shallow with many. Book number 4. The Almanac, of Naval Ravikant. This book will help you learn how to walk your own unique path toward a happier and wealthier life. Tips: focus on generating wealth while you sleep rather than exchanging your time for money. And find something you genuinely enjoy doing, then you work on it out of curiosity. Book number 5. The Last Lecture, by Pausch. Shortly after learning that he had incurable pancreatic cancer and was going to die, Rands gave his last lecture at the university and shared advice to students on how to achieve their career and personal goals, like work and play well with others, be prepared, find the best in everybody, tell the truth and never give up. Hope you liked our book's recommendation. Let us know in the comment which of these 5 books you want to read. Click on the link in the description to find the book you want. Do you know other great books to read in your 20s? Let us know in the comments. We would love to know your book's recommendation. Hope you liked the video, subscribe to receive our upcoming videos. See you.